Hello guys, if you are new on YouTube and you still battling with watch hours, how to get your watch hours complete, be it you've not gotten anyone or you've gotten either from 1000, 2000 and it's still remaining, this is an avenue for you to get your watch time hour complete. And I'm going to be giving you this tutorial right after this video. This thing I'm going to be teaching you will just take you 1 week for you to get your 4000 watch time hour complete. Simply go to your Chrome, search for restream.io.com. okay, that's the name of the website. What this website does is that it will help you to get your 4000 watch hours completed by going to live. How many of you know that going to live, those views are watch hours generated from your views? It also counts on your watch hours. How many of you know that? If you know that, indicate in the comment section. Now, what this website, I've already repeated, it gives watch hours, okay, and it's much faster than you uploading videos normal on your YouTube page. Okay, now by doing this, so you will definitely, I give you just less than 1 week. And if you are this type that is to upload video every day, definitely you will get it before that 1 week complete. You get your own 4000 watch hours completed. Now, this website, this Restream website, it will you will not go live direct. You understand? You know, using your normal YouTube app is different from using this restream.com. okay, so sorry, .io, remove the s, sorry, .io.com. okay, so using this one now, you just make your own video separately. Okay, then you go to the website and put the video there, and the video will come out as live on your YouTube channel. There's a way you connect the YouTube app together with your website, and that's what I'm going to be giving tutorial video of. So if you're seeing me for the first time, do me by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Oh yeah, here is the website, restream.io.com. If you type it, it will show this interface. This is my past restream. Here it is. So you go back now. This or do you add on play? Let's create a new one. So you go to this encoder/rtmp. So let's go to this side. Let's create a new one. All right, so this one, this how it is. Then you click on schedule. So now you go to here, you put any title. For instance, now you did a tutorial video talking about how to make money. Let's put it how to make money in less than 5 minutes. Now here, then you add your description. So once you add your description, you go to this side, you click on upload thumbnail. Can you see the uploading thumbnail? So we'll go to this side, any thumbnail you have done. Okay, let's click on this one. I'm just using this as an example. Okay, so now you click on upload, you click on crop. So this height will look like, you click on next. Then once you click on this, you click on save. And say, are you sure you want to proceed without okay, no, okay, let's do it this way. You click on you open this one so that my channel will be visible. So you click on save. So can you see it now? So now this is how it will look like here. So now as you've done this, then you go to any mistake that you've done, like any mistake that you've made that you want to still like kind of adjust. You click on update title. For instance, you now put your title where, and this category, see, look at what I mean, content type. So you click on content type, you click on education because it's a tutorial video. You click on education, then this time you put your description, you click on update. So can you see it has already been updated? So now what you do now, this is the phase 2 of this video. You go to your YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio here. So you go to this side. Sorry. You go back to the website. Once you're in the website, you go to this RTMPS. You click on it. Now you copy this. You paste it on your YouTube application. It will show you where you are going to fix your video. Where you are going to fix your video so that you come outside as live stream. Okay, now do this on channel that doesn't have much much followers. Like this is my channel, this is my second channel. I just have 43 subscribers. It will work. And you all know that you must have to get you must have to get 1,000 subscribers before you go live. But this one now, if you are restreaming, if you are going live using this restreaming app, you just create your content separately and upload it on YouTube. You copy the link here. You copy this link here, then you paste it on your YouTube. It will show you where you upload your video. Then you upload it. Once you upload it, you go outside as live, so people can be watching it, and then you'll be getting watch hours, depending on the kind of content you are creating. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time,